Hey, what's going on everybody? Thank you for checking out my channel. My name is Caesar and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a full set of hair in just a couple seconds, okay? So first thing we need to do is if you guys wear any gel or any hair products in your hair, we're going to throw that in now. Me, I like to use Gorilla, Moco's a Gorilla, so I'm going to throw that in right now. Okay, I just use just a little bit here. Okay, this is if you use hair product in your hair. If you don't use hair product, you're just gonna skip this step, okay? Got my little comb out here. Just a quick little comb here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how much I'm thinning in a second here. You can see it better once the gel's in there. Okay, throw a little water here. So this video is pretty much if you're self-conscious on how your hair is thinning or you just want a fuller, thicker hair for whatever reason. I bought this product when I was going to go to a wedding. You know, I want to look a little younger. So bought this product and we're going to test it out for you guys right now. Okay, so if you do wear gel in your hair, you're gonna have to let it dry, okay? So we're gonna let it dry here. Okay, so once your hair is dry, it's time to put on the product. And our product is called Crown, okay? Here it is. I'm gonna put it in the description box below just in case you guys wanna get it on Amazon. That's where I buy my product at, okay? Amazon. It's only like 20 bucks, so this lasts me about, I'd say a little over 6 months, and I use it every day, but you know, I just use a little bit. I have the one that comes in black. I got black hair. There's blonde and there's dirty blonde, so just make sure you get your right hair color, okay? So, like I said, here goes. I'm thinning on top right here. You guys could see it. Instead of, you know, throwing on a hat, I got this product for you. Here we go. So since I have the part in my hair, what I want to do is I want to cover it up. And I'm not going to use anything fancy, it's just a piece of paper, okay? So we're going to throw that paper, okay? I'm going to go with the line here, and I'm going to go ahead, it's my, like my buddy calls it, it's a pepper shaker, okay? So you're pretty much just putting pepper on you, okay? Nice little taps. You don't want to do it too close, because if you do it too close, it's going to be too blotchy, okay? I say about 2 to 3 inches out, okay? And I'm only doing this because I have the part in my hair and I want to get an even line up there, okay? So I could do that at the part, and then we're just pretty much sprinkling the stuff all the way down into our hair, like so, okay? I got a little problem area right here in the front. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up the spot with my fingers here, and I'm just going to sprinkle it in there. That way it gives a little line in the front. Okay. Okay, I'm going to finish going around the top of the head here, like so. A little bit more in there. Just sprinkle the stuff around. You know, sometimes your problem areas are back here. You're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle it. Just like so, okay? Here you go. Now you can see I'm covering up the problem areas. And that's just in a couple seconds, okay? So depending on how much hair that, you know, how bald you are, how much hair you have, this could take a little bit longer, but I mean, that's a couple seconds. So what's a couple seconds? To look a little bit younger. And like I said, this is a product right here called Crown. We'll put it down below. Thank you guys for watching my video.